Mr. G, and I'm going to show you a really cool E shape or 6-string major bar chord. Now, in this example, we're going to be going over the C major bar chord. So this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now, for this example, I'm playing the C major 6-string or E-shaped bar chord. I'm going to place my little finger on the 6th string on the 8th fret and play that C. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 5th string, 7th fret. Then I'm going to bar over my index finger on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string of the 5th fret and play those notes all together. The first string I'm not going to play. I'm either not going to strum it or I'm just going to mute it here with my barred index finger. And when you put it all together, this is what it sounds and looks like. Again, that's the 6-string or E-shaped major bar chord. Hope you enjoyed the video.